This video lesson will show Objective 5 on our Practice Test C, stoichiometry. We are to write balanced equations and identify the category. Reading for number 1, when aluminum metal is dropped into copper 2 sulfate. Aluminum metal is written as Al. Copper 2 sulfate is Cu, the Roman numeral tells me +2. Sulfate is our polyatomic ion, which carries a -2. CuSO4. The pattern of change says when an element reacts with a compound. The element is aluminum. It is a metal. We compare it to the metal in our compound. Element plus compound is a single replacement pattern. Aluminum kicks out the copper. It displaces or replaces or exchanges with it. Aluminum will hook now to the sulfate, but remember to consider its charges. Aluminum's a +3, sulfate a -2, Al2SO4 taken 3 times. And copper is left by itself. When we work to balance our equation, we'll balance the aluminum sulfates. We'll end up with 3 in front of the copper sulfate to repair sulfates, 2 in front of the aluminum, and a 3 in front of the copper. 2, 3, 1, 3 balances our equation. Second problem reads, magnesium is heated over a flame. When metals are heated over the flame, recall that they oxidize, they tarnish, they corrode. We take our magnesium and add oxygen from the air. This is a combination pattern and a process of rusting. But remember to consider charges when you put them together. Magnesium's a +2, oxide's a -2, then we worry about balancing. Our third category says potassium carbonate is heated. Potassium is a +1, carbonate with its -2, K2CO3. In our decomposition pattern, we have a single reactant. Helpful hint number 3 on our decomposition pattern page tells us that when carbonates decompose, carbon dioxide gas is released, leaving us a metal oxide. The metal in this case is potassium, who's a +1, oxide is a -2, our product K2O. When carbonates decompose, they let go of carbon dioxide gas and leave you with a metal oxide residue. This equation works out balanced. Our fourth equation reads, a solution of sodium sulfate is reacted with a solution of barium nitrate. 2 aqueous solutions reacting. Begin by writing sodium, who's a +1, with its last name sulfate, who's a -2, Na2SO4. Reacting with barium nitrate, Ba is a +2, nitrate a -1, we get BaNO3 taken twice. Sodium goes to nitrate, barium goes to sulfate in our double replacement pattern. 2 units of sodium nitrate, hooking by charge, and 1 unit of barium sulfate formed, hooking by charge. A 1, 1, 2, 1 balances that equation. In our last category, we are burning a hydrocarbon. This looks like our combustion pattern. Methanol, who could be written CH3OH, but I'll combine my like elements to make balancing easier. CH4O. Burning completely says add oxygen, form carbon dioxide, and water. 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, so I'll double the water. Remember the C's, then H's, then O's. Now check the oxygens. We have 2 + 2 is 4 on the right, and a total of 3 on the left. We'll need to go back and double what we just figured out. When we double, we get rid of the odd number problem. 2 methanols makes me double the carbon dioxide. 8 hydrogens makes me double in front of the water from a 2 to a 4. And now let's recount those Oxygens. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 4 more in the water gives me a total of 8 on the right-hand side. The 8, I need to subtract 2 from the first reactant, making a total of 6 more needed, so I'll place a 3 in front of the oxygen. 2 to 3 to 2 to 4 balances that complete combustion.